Essence of Gardenia is an exquisitely crafted floral oriental fragrance that exudes timeless sophistication and grace. It opens with the sweet creamy allure of ylang ylang, paired with the bright zesty freshness of orange, creating a luxurious and invigorating introduction. The heart reveals a rich bouquet of gardenia and jasmine, where gardenia's creamy velvety charm takes center stage, complemented by jasmine's opulent sweet depth. This romantic and balanced floral core transitions into a warm sensual base of musk patchouli and amber, offering a soft clean undertone with earthy richness and a resinous slightly sweet embrace. Together these elements create a captivating and elegant scent that lingers beautifully, perfect for any occasion. Performance elements of Essence of Gardenia. Longevity. Essence of Gardenia offers a long-lasting scent profile, with its rich blend of floral and oriental notes ensuring it remains noticeable for 8 to 12 hours on clothing. The longevity extends further, often lasting an entire day or into the next. Its combination of musk patchouli and amber enhances its staying power, making it a dependable choice for long events or all-day wear. Sillage. The fragrance has an elegant projection, creating an alluring aura that is noticeable without being overpowering. Its moderate to strong sillage ensures the wearer leaves a memorable trail, perfect for making a statement at special occasion or intimate settings. Projection. Essence of Gardenia projects gracefully within an arm's length during the initial hours, making it ideal for both personal and semi-formal settings. The scent settles into a softer projection over time, enveloping the wearer in a close, intimate aura. Season. Best suited for spring and autumn, where its blend of fresh florals and warm oriental notes aligns perfectly with the season's transitions. It's versatile enough for year-round use, offering a fresh and luxurious vibe in summer and comforting warmth in winter. Occasion. Perfect for evening events, romantic dates, or special celebrations due to its opulent and romantic nature. Suitable for daytime wear when you want a sophisticated yet subtle signature scent. Type. Essence of Gardenia is a floral oriental fragrance that harmoniously combines lush florals with warm and sensual oriental notes. Mood. The fragrance evokes timeless sophistication, romantic elegance, and a confident yet feminine allure with a hint of sensuality. Style. It exudes luxurious refinement, striking a balance between classic elegance and modern versatility, perfect for both daytime and evening occasion. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar or to create eau de parfum. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.